Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, are you seeing your PS5 screen suddenly zoomed in, making games hard to play? It's a surprisingly common problem, and it can be really annoying when you're just trying to relax. Many of you have asked for a clear fix, so today, we're going to show you the one way, the definitive method, to get your PS5 screen back to normal for 2025. So why does this happen? Well, the zoom feature on your PS5 is actually a built-in accessibility tool. It's designed to help players with visual impairments by magnifying what's on the screen. However, it's quite easy to accidentally activate, perhaps through a quick controller shortcut or simply by exploring the settings. Many people turn it on without even realizing it, and then suddenly their screen is just too big. Now let's get straight to the fix. This is the only official way to truly disable the zoom function. First, from your PlayStation 5 home screen, navigate to the top right and select the Settings icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down a bit until you see Accessibility. Click on that, and then within the Accessibility menu, you'll find the Zoom option. Just make sure to toggle that setting off, and your screen should immediately return to normal. What if you followed those steps, but your screen is still zoomed? Don't worry, there are a couple of other things to check. Sometimes, a simple full restart of your PlayStation 5 can clear any lingering display glitches. Also, make sure to check your controller's custom button assignments. Some players accidentally set a zoom shortcut there. Finally, quickly confirm your actual TV or monitor isn't applying its own zoom setting, as that's a common oversight. So there you have it, the one definitive way to fix screen zoom on your PlayStation 5 in 2025. It's all about knowing your accessibility settings and where to find them. Remember to always be mindful of these options, especially after system updates, which can sometimes reset preferences. With this knowledge, you can ensure your gaming experience remains perfectly clear, exactly as it should be, free from any unwanted zoom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.